Welcome to this explainer. Let's dive right into the secrets of divine mercy and true connection. Ever wonder why you don't get everything you want? Well, Haz Ali's quote here explains it perfectly. So it brings up a tough question. Why do our most desperate prayers often go totally unanswered? The answer? Esmâu'l Hüsnâ, or the 99 names. Think of them as a heavenly rope for our minds. We actually climb this rope to the divine through just 3 legitimate, structured paths. Look at this massive contrast. Rahman is unconditional essence, but Rahim, that's a highly conditional interactive action. You see, mercy isn't always automatic. The Rahim attribute literally requires a trigger, like prayer or good deeds. But wait, if mercy is an action, how do we explain severe human suffering and extreme hardships? Just look at Yusuf in the well. His body was trapped, but his mind was completely free. Or compare Zuleyha, literally captive inside her own palace, with Yusuf, completely free inside a dark dungeon. The takeaway here? Hardship is actually a vehicle. The path to becoming sultan goes straight through the well. Even the sick prophet Ayub wasn't told to just passively lie there. He was commanded to take action. This constant demand for action totally defines true repentance. Step 1, istighfar, which simply means stopping the bad. But hey, that's only half. Toba is the second step, actively turning yourself towards the right path. So true repentance has 3 steps. Stop the wrong, turn right, and counteract past mistakes with opposite actions. Basically, if you financed bad deeds with money, you gotta use money for good deeds. Action is required.
Which leaves us with a profound thought to reflect on. Where is your well and where is your shirt torn?